So guys, today I know this creator. I know what she sounds like, I think.
I locked the door, Joseph. You locked the doors, Joseph? You want
Okay, that's the creator I'm talking about, but that's not what she sounds like. You know this one? Well, it's locked and you can't edit it, so I just recorded it and my DSi sounds. This is my DSi XL that I got for my birthday today. So I slowed it down. Sounded like this. Alright, hold on. Okay.
Guess what? What? I homosexual for you. What you say? Okay. Oh my.
I think that's what she sounds like. I'm not sure. You guys tell me in the comments below what you think. Goodbye.